Definitely different outcome of what we expected here tonight, but
So let's see if Seagull can actually take this high spot of the king of here, or if Schnigily will be the one to do it tonight.
oh yeah. Let's see if Schnigily can defend the house here tonight in Desai's absence.
RP Desai.
R.I.P.
Gone
Desai. If you're in the
too
chat, we
soon.
miss you, buddy. Going Greninja. Huh.
Maybe just want some practice for later matches, but
Perhaps. But game one, we have Bowser versus Greninja PS2. Okay. Maybe he feels a more, well, I can't see him feeling more comfortable
just
in
like
this
that,
matchup.
50%.
Up tilt. Yeah. Very much in Seagull Joe's favor here. Already up about 100%. Looking to get a Gimp here.
He can get one down to up smash and he'll probably die.
And getting the up smash, but not quite killing yet. Wow,
Where
that
is
sent
he?
him so far out. He
Oh.
wasn't even able to recover.
A really good stock by Seagull right there. So let's see what Schnigily can do to bring it back.
It's looking really rough for Schnigily, but we've seen him make comebacks. So let's see what he can do here versus Seagull Joe.
Didn't even notice what
Back
happened,
air.
and he's already at 88.
Wow. Oh, okay, he had his
Oh,
jump.
that was-
Very good of Schnigily saving his jump there. And
Seems
Seagull
like it's
Joe
really
just
hard for
throwing
him
out
to get
these
back on
empty
this
hops
ledge.
at the ledge. He knows that Schnigily wants to press buttons and gets the down tilt to F's forward air. Gonna take the second stock, and Seagull Joe already up 2 stocks. Game 1. And that,
Oh.
saves him. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. I'm sure he didn't want to do that. I'm sure he could have just air dodged to the ledge.
Oh, it looks like he lost his jump somewhere in there, and he didn't realize it. So
Already a very good start for Seagull Joe. Winning game 1 with a 3 stock, opening it up that way. Must be a little rough for Schnigily, but as I said, he's a very strong mental player. So I'm sure he won't let that get to him.
never count him out. He's goated.
Oh yeah, the big Schnig. Taking it back to Smashville here as well. Seems like Schniglily's more favorited maps to play on. Seagull still staying Greninja. Very good damage already. 50% on the board for Seagull Joe. Goes for the jab side B mix up. Almost worked, just a little hesitant on it.
Alright, let's see
Up
if he can convert
air.
this into.
Up.
Oh,
Good DI. Out in the way, I'm pretty sure is the proper. Wow.
Oh,
he
does
went for
not.
it. He went for it. I can respect it.
Oh, let's see if we can get back to stage against Greninja.
Wow, really weird interaction there. Up smash, yeah. Sure. Seagull Joe noticing that he likes to,
The Tekken plays.
Tekken
and
plays.
He's punishing that a lot.
and he's punishing it a lot, yeah.
I don't really know too much about Greninja, so
Just know this is a bad matchup for Bowser. Very bad. Just as bad as Palu. But maybe he just wants to
oh, you
practice.
cannot rapid
tough
jab
guy.
Bowser. You cannot.
Rapid jab
But it's
no
actually
good in
even,
this
even
matchup.
though.
And hard punish, yeah.
What is Bowser? Bowser is not dying.
Oh,
It's not.
taking a really good chunk of damage here for that. Maybe even a stock, and just barely able to make it. But it's not as bad as the last game. He's only down 1 stock this game. So he could definitely make this comeback. Play his cards right. Anything is possible.
Toe back air. Oh. Seems like he's getting up in place every time he does it. Needs to make. Oh.
He's getting
And
a
the
lot of
time he doesn't, he's
mileage
just
here,
reading it.
actually. And that's going to be the stock. And that's going to be game 2. Things are looking very rough for Schnigily right now. He is down 2 games. Let's see if he decides to go elsewhere.
Probably not. Doesn't know too much about this matchup because I don't really know many Greninjas in MDVA, or at least I go to Xanadu or where Schnigily competes. So at least he'll be able to go and review this set after this.
Well, we used to have a couple, but I think a lot of them are busy with school.
Yeah,
so.
I know there's like a couple UMD Greninjas, like Gold.
Yeah. Gold is definitely one of the notable ones. Yeah, I'm sure Schnigily doesn't have any other characters besides Bowser. Choosing to stay Bowser, of course. And
what stage did you pick?
the same. What was that?
What stage did you? Oh, FD.
FD. Very beautiful stage.
Uh-oh. Just like that, he already took 93s.
I looked away for a second, and he's already at 93%. I can see that's how this matchup actually just goes in general. Must be really hard for Bowser. And yeah. Seagull Joe doing a really good job of keeping Schnigily at the ledge.
Yeah, he's been really consistent with his edge guards too.
And realizing the low recovery air dodge, and is able to take stocks, close them out pretty early. Okay. And he has no jump. And Schnigily here on his potential game stock.
Tournament stock.
Tournament stock, actually. Yeah. And okay, no conversion off of that.
So let's see what he can do to bring this back.
Air dodge. Nope. And this
might
is
be
really
dead
rough.
after that.
Yeah. Rinse and repeat, and it's not looking too good. Yeah. That's.
Or well, Seagull Joe's gonna take it, and
Seagull Joe
Desai's first tournament gone.
3-0. 2 of them being 3 stocks. Very convincing win by Seagull Joe there.
Yeah, so hopefully Schnigily will go back and review the set and see like what he can punish against Greninja with what, because he didn't seem to know too much about the matchup right there.
Definitely. Use resources whenever you have a chance to use them, people. If you have any VODs, study that matchup and just realize what you did wrong and what your opponent is doing as well.
And with that being the end of the tournament, I'm going to head out. And as a reminder, don't pick up Game & Watch. Everyone have a good night.
All right, guys, that was grand finals. Seagull Joe taking first place, Schnigily taking second, and Smooch coming in third. And that is all we have for you guys tonight. So we will be jumping offline and heading on out of here, but we will be back next week with, what, we're on 31 now? Yeah, Wonderfly Weekly 31, so definitely check that out. We've been having some hype matches going on down here, and looking like that's going to continue to be the case, so definitely don't miss it, and we will see you then. So with that, we will see you next time, guys. Consort signing off. Peace.